Welcome to Skywonder GPS, your trusted partner in advanced GPS tracking solutions. In this video, we learn the steps of how to install a dashcam in your vehicle. Let's begin then. Red wire represents positive, black wire represents negative, and the orange wire represents ACC, Adaptive Cruise Control. Now we connect the wires with same color wires with the disaster box previously shown. Then connect the receiver. After that, we come to our dashcam and insert SIM card and micro SD card in slots. Then we connect the wires. Next step, find a good spot to place your dashcam. We usually attach our dashcam to the front of the car with Velcro tape for better visual range. After completing the setup, we check our app to check if the dashcam came online. Click on the eye icon to view the feed, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching this video. Partner with Skywonder GPS and discover the future of vehicle tracking together.